in my hand. I'm actually going to be feeding it right now. Joining me is Sarah here at Wildlife Safari. Now, Sarah, first off, how do I feed this guy?
Well, it's a little tricky. He's about 12 days old now, and he's starting to get pretty squirmy. His eyes are just starting to open. But you're just going to kind of show him the nipple and stick it in his mouth, and then he should do the rest. Right. He's getting pretty good about drinking his milk.
Yeah, he's definitely trying to find it. There he is. All right, and then I got to... Oh, man. So tell me a little bit about this guy while I'm trying to feed him. What is his name?
Well, we are calling him Max as our name for while he's here at Wildlife Safari. He's actually going to be going to another zoo to be an ambassador for his species. Since he is being hand-raised, he'll become an ambassador and go and do school assemblies and educational talks and teach people about conservation and cheetahs in the wild.
And why is he in here in this incubator?
Well, unfortunately, his mom was not up for the job of raising him. Unfortunately, when moms only have one cub in a litter, they do not keep producing milk and will reject the cub and abandon the cub. So we had to step in and take over hand rearing and have been feeding him every 2 hours ever since.
Well, it looks like I'm having a challenge here too, but this guy sure is cute. Well, coming up here, we're going to show you some more new additions you can find here at the Wildlife Safari. We'll have that coming up in just a bit. I just don't think you want to see.